Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create an ID in Line app 2024. First, you just open up your Line app. Next, tap on the settings, that is the gear icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on profile and then scroll down. After status message you have ID, tap on it. It's not set, so as you can see, ID is used for other users to search for you via your Line ID. But note that once you create one, it cannot be changed. You only have 22 characters. Let's say there's only one word you can use. You can put space. You can use capital letters. So you check after tapping on check, you can see it's not available. And try another one. Also unavailable. Let's try this one. It's available. As you can see up here, it says it's available. Now I can tap on save. Now my ID is there. I can easily copy it when I want to give to someone by tapping on this copy spot. Allow others to add me by ID. Turn it on. Enabling this setting to allow others to add you as a friend by searching for your ID. So you have to enable that setting. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to create ID in Line app. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which I put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.